Nigeria and European Union by providing support to strengthen the capacities of the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, Nigeria Immigration Service, Nigeria Police Force, and network of CSOs against child trafficking, abuse, and labor in addressing human trafficking and smuggling of migrants, trafficking in persons, and smuggling of migrants destroying the lives, families, and our communities. Let's join hands to stop it. Beware of human traffickers and migrant smugglers. This message is brought to you by Assistant Nigeria, a project funded by European Union and implemented by FIAP, F-I-I-A-P-P, a Spanish public foundation. For more information, visit www.atipsum.com. Together, we can end trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants. Trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants is the third most lucrative illicit business in the world. This project aims to combat trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants at national and regional level between Nigeria and European Union by providing support to strengthen the capacities of the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, Nigeria Immigration Service, Nigeria Police Force, and network of CSOs against child trafficking, abuse, and labor in addressing human trafficking and smuggling of migrants, trafficking in persons, and smuggling of migrants destroying lives, families, and our communities. Let's join hands to stop it. Beware of human trafficking. This message is brought to you by a Spanish public foundation. For more information, visit www.artisan.com. Artisan. Together, we can end trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants.
Oh yes, no, it's more something at all. Today, now the 18th of July 2020, we don't show back again on top of Atipsum have on radio. Yes, my name is Cherry King.
And my name now Uncle Joe. I mean the manage communication for Atipsum, and Atipsum means action against trafficking in person and smuggling of migrants in Nigeria. Now project where European Union they fund and where FIAP will be Spanish Public Foundation they implement. We don't come again today with this night with another topic. This night our topic will be the impact of COVID-19 on smuggling of migrants. Now, no say as COVID-19 can happen for this country, many things they happen. I will get person who with this topic well. Person, if you mention migration, you can mention his name.
Okay.
Or you people they call him expert. His name now James, Mr. James Sunday.
Oh, okay.
So now him be the person where they will be in charge of public relations for Nigerian Immigration Service. So now him could tell us more about this topic.
Okay, well, in prefer me they call him the parrot.
The parrot.
Okay. The parrot of immigration. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother. How are you?
I did fine. How are you there? How work?
Fine, we thank God.
How NIS?
So, NIS, we're doing very well by the help of God.
Oh, okay. Well, confirm. Today, let's say the other time we will follow you talk. We'll just say anytime we say we need, your expert advice or explanation on something, we could definitely call you back, Abi.
Yes, no problem.
We don't show today. And then today we'll talk about, as Uncle Joe don't talk, the impact of COVID-19 on smuggling of migrants. Okay? So today, one start by asking you, what will be the nature of smuggling of migrants during this COVID-19 time? And how una they work to make sure say una stop all these things from happening?
COVID-19 for us in Nigeria Immigration Service has helped in reducing the rate at which people are being smuggled out of the country.
Okay.
There is federal government directive restricting international flights,
okay,
and on-border closure, which by extension also extend to the ships that flies the sea and the waterways. Because smuggling of person is the opposite of human trafficking of person. We call it smuggling of migrants. That's why.
Okay.
It's the opposite of trafficking in persons.
Mm.
The difference is that trafficking in person is done with the intention of exploiting the victim.
Yes.
Okay.
While smuggling of migrant is done with the intention of benefiting financially from the act of smuggling of the person they are smuggling out of the country. So this one has financial benefits attached to it. That is smuggling of migrants.
Okay.
So back to your question. There are three means by which people can be smuggled out of a country. It's either by aircraft,
Okay.
by ships,
Okay.
and by land transportation.
Mm.
And Section 106 of the Immigration Act speak extensively on this process by which people are being smuggled out of the country.
Okay.
Section 106, subsection 1 of the Immigration Act, which deals with every airline operator, sea or other water vessel operator, or land transportation, or commercial carrier, or tour operator, or operator of a travel agency is under obligation not to aid and abet or facilitate or promote smuggling of persons.
Okay. So that means that now the law will be say, you know, it a back on for this work that they do to stop any to concerning smuggling of persons and trafficking with that.
Yes, there are two laws. If you want me to tell you, there is Section 64 of the Immigration Act,
Okay.
which has to do with the prohibition of smuggling of migrants.
Okay.
And Section 65, which has to do with smuggling of migrant offenses.
Okay.
Okay, but okay.
Section 98 that deals with treatment of smuggled migrants. That's even the migrant that is smuggled, there's a way you are supposed to treat the migrant.
Okay. Okay, well, no, it's more something. Good to know. Say law they will protect, you know, Nigerians like this, and both persons for victim. You know, you get where they still they take handle am.
Yes.
But then one ask now during this COVID-19 period where we say, you know, lockdown day and as you talk, plenty of regulations. You know, the number of cases where we say on our gets, because the other time you just talk say COVID-19 help to reduce. So now in numbers, the number increase, a bit reduce. Number of people we say they smuggle during this period, or where they smuggle during this period.
Yes, you see the case of smuggling of migrants. Just like I said, sometimes it's very, very complicated when you are trying to actually separate between traffic person and the one that is smuggled.
That's so.
Okay.
That's so.
Until you are able to interview the victim. And the victim is sincere enough to tell you. Because trafficking in person entails the person being taken out of the country to be exploited outside the country.
Yes.
So establishing the case of trafficking in person can only be done outside the territory of jurisdiction. But for the smuggled person, he's being taken to a country where he's not a citizen. So if the victim is able to confess and say the truth that I'm being taken out of the country to a place that I don't belong to, and it is not with my concession. But for smuggling of migrant, it's with the approval
Of the
migrant, because the migrant will agree that he wants to go.
Okay.
But for the trafficking in person, is mostly done without their approval and agreement. It's done with deceit. They tell them lie that when you go to social place, you are bound to get this and this and that.
And then you go hammer.
Yes, but for the smuggled migrant, it is done with the agreement of the migrant.
Okay.
Okay, well, Uncle Joe got a question for you.
I want to ask him, as you talk, say, for smuggling of migrants, the person where they smuggle, they are away. But what if the person there away, say, if he reach there, na good thing will happen. But the person know that way, say, the person where they smuggle them,
so if you change them
if
for
you
them.
get another plan on the road, see if you change them for them, what thing will happen for that one? That one, see the smuggling of migrants or trafficking.
That's trafficking person.
Okay, because you deceive the person, Abi.
Yes.
So that means smuggling of migrants will lead to trafficking.
It can lead to trafficking.
Oh, okay.
Very, very well.
Okay.
That means that my brothers they work hand in hand.
Yeah, they work hand in hand. It talks say for this COVID-19, the thing don't they reduce smuggling of migrants. But I know say it gets some strong hair people where as this COVID-19 there and there is a lockdown, they feel they look for shortcut up and way. They see how they go carry people. They walk up for another country, through Sahara Desert, through all this road. I want to ask, what will be the measure where they put to support smuggling of migrants and to arrest people when they break the law, as this lockdown they happen now? I know say some people they do and they carry people they waka. What will be on a measure when they used to control all these things and to make sure say nobody they smuggle outside this country?
Just last week in Katsina,
yes,
our service arrested. The Nigerian government repatriated 42 Nigerians who are smuggled or who are not being trafficked through Niger route Europe back to Nigeria. They brought them back to Kogolam and they handed them over to the Nigerian Defense Service in Katsina State Command. And the Controller General gave directive that they should be taken to court immediately. 12 of them were convicted immediately because of the evidences that was available for the prosecution. While 30 of them were remanded in prison pending the completion of the examination and then the requirement for prosecuting them.
Yes.
Just last week.
Wow.
So
these are very close.
Relating its effort.
Yes.
The smugglers are not relating their attempt to go out, but our officers and our neighbors, based on the relationship between the Controller General of Defense Service Nigeria and other heads of immigration in West Africa, because when the Controller General came on board, the first assignment he had was to call all the heads of immigration in West Africa, that's the ECOWAS sub-region, for a meeting in Abuja, where they agreed that what happens to me happens to you. And if we work in that way, it means we're not going to have our citizens suffering from the hand of traffickers and smugglers. And that has set immigration. You can remember vividly there was a time we had a problem in Ghana.
Yes.
And the Controller General of the Nigerian Service was able to talk to his colleague in Ghana immediately. And it was resolved.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So thank you. So I know say this thing will not be small thing at all.
I'm telling you, now continuous effort.
Yeah, and I know say as this lockdown they happen now, things will change. I know say migration will take another dimension. You know, say these smugglers, they still got to think how the new way what they use to the smuggle people. So as an expert, you don't think say this thing they don't close borders now because of COVID-19. Do you think say these smugglers go get new ways what they go use to the smuggle people?
The issue of smuggling,
yes,
with the Operation Swift Response on the federal government of Nigeria, which has all the security agencies patrolling the flanks of the border, it is a very, very difficult task for people to want to pass through our borders. But that notwithstanding, you know, there is no 100% proof of closing a border that is not fenced.
Okay.
So we are only doing our best by virtue of what the Controller General of Immigration Service has also done again by making sure that they establish forward operating base. We call it FOB.
Okay.
The forward operating base is different from the regular border patrol operation.
This one a special one.
How does one work?
These are officers, these are special set of officers that are stationed at certain axes and they cover a large flag of area and they turn back to their base to rest. They do that 24/7.
Wow.
Along the border flags.
Okay.
And they are given special vehicles and their training is also very, very peculiar to the assignment they are going to do. And they rotate them at intervals so that they will not get used to terrain.
Okay.
So there's what we call demobilization. We demobilize them and return them back to another location so that they will not get used to the environment where they are.
Okay.
Okay. Well, no, be small something. So that means with this new formation and this new setup now, when I don't record some plenty success with that when it comes to preventing smuggling of migrants.
We have close to 14 foreign operating bases all around the country.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, well, no be small something. Well, as today, not only us go to talk. People they phone line and people they house will be saying they listen to us, and themselves would like to ask you one or two questions, probably make some contributions or some observations. Okay, so for people they out there, if you want to join us, the numbers now 094 600 995 094 600 995. If you want to drop a question for inside WhatsApp now 0809 993 0172. If you get any special case where you go like me a tip song or immigration, chook eye, touch light on top as it concern smuggling of migrants. Or sharply, join us and then drop your own informate sharply. But now, let me ask you this sharp question, okay? You know, during this period like this, people don't they used to new way of living, new technology, new way of communication. You know, said before, if you track person phone call,
yes.
But right now, people don't use things like Zoom, people don't use things like WhatsApp call and all that. So, which advice you get for country people on how to take, you know, reduce communication with people where they don't know, especially when person just chat to you and say, better like this is also place.
I think that is the work of police.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to go into a job. It's the work of the Department of State Security Services, and they have been doing their best.
Okay.
And it's the work of police. Mine is control of mobility, even though we are also a security operating.
Okay.
But at my level, I can only advise them to be tested, and that's all.
Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Evening, sir.
Evening, how you doing?
Fine.
Oh yeah, now what's your name and where they come from? Come.
This one don't go again.
When I understand this thing today, this phone line, oh, because now paravexation we can call. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, good evening.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Help us reduce the volume of your radio so that I can hear you.
Okay. Alpha.
We do. What's your name?
She will make a comment from Bawada.
Okay, Chief, help us reduce the volume of your radio,
Make a revision. How's the business?
Well, now we do. So you get question. We they talk about smuggling of migrants this evening.
My question is just a network thing because you know we are all over Nigeria now. They know what they're doing. All I believe is that we want to the one we just finished with now. The other topic for
Immigration.
What is saying is fact.
Okay.
They cannot do the whole job.
Yes, sir.
Security in Nigeria must join hands to get that to do.
Okay.
Because when I came back from Ghana last month, I saw what is happening. I know that it's only God is saving us. So all I believe is hearing me now. They will join more and more security.
Okay.
Our people are going outside every day. Like what you said, you say in a border that is not fair. It's true. We call them border. But the other part of it is free. Me and you can pass. We have to go, hey, who they go? You get my point tonight.
Okay.
Yes.
And then people bribe with their more than any other thing. So what I'm trying to say is what you are idea this evening and what you are the program we have today. It can help Nigeria. And I believe other people will talk about it.
Okay.
And Nigeria, now we get them. Not the other countries get them, now we get our Nigeria.
Okay.
So that's what I want to contribute to create expensive for me.
Oh yeah, no, thank you very much for that one. Okay, well, for as we come back to that one, for inside of WhatsApp here, somebody say, okay, say please define and explain the concept smuggling of migrants. This one for inside WhatsApp. Okay, so okay, here the contribution of the first caller, Abi.
The first caller was talking about how civilians can participate to assist immigration in curbing smuggling.
Yes. Okay, and now somebody say make you help and explain you know, the concept of smuggling of migrants again?
Okay. Let me start with the second one. That's the concept of smuggling of migrants.
Okay.
Just like I mentioned earlier on, that smuggling of migrants has to do with the concept, with the agreement of the smuggler and the victim.
Okay.
And normally, it is a situation where the victim is taken to a country where it's not an indigenous hub.
Okay.
In an effort to gain financially from the victim.
Okay.
But trafficking person is a situation whereby an individual is being deceived that there is something better outside the country. But the intention behind it is for exploitation. It's only when the person gets there that the person that takes him there will now start exploiting by maybe either putting him through laborious work, sexual exploitation, or every other means that he can now use to exploit the person that is being trafficked. You know the difference?
Okay. Okay. Well, more take more contributions or calls from phone line. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yep. Good evening. How you doing? Hello.
Let me get by miracle.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Give your mama the phone. Okay, so you've been to talk more. You want to attend to the first person we call, where they talk about how civilians fit take assist.
Yes, we have a community-based immigration patrol activity.
Okay.
Our officers, we have divisional immigration officers in 774 local governments of this country.
Wow.
So if civilians want to assist us, it's not a must that they must go to the border. But I quite believe that every locality has a local government.
Yes.
Of course.
They can reach out to our divisional officers who are in charge of the local government area, which is the catchment area where each person belongs, and report such issues. And the officers are mandated to follow up such issues because that's the reason why they are there in the 774 local government of the country.
Okay. Well, no be small something.
Like I even ask them this question.
Okay.
I not say this job where NIS they do not be small thing. It gets so many challenges with the deal. As the other speaker talk, the other caller, she say the person say this work not be only with not be the thing where only NIS go do. And I not say when they encounter challenges. I beg if you tell us the challenges when they encounter and which effort they make to combat this smuggling of migrants. And I know say sometimes ATIPSIN will be project where EU they fund and share the support done the work with una. Also tell us how they help una they do this on our work.
There is no job that doesn't have its own challenge.
Of course.
And that's why it's called a job hazard.
Yes.
Even my friend that's in the studio, he has his own job hazard.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
So the only thing we do is that the local warheads, we try to ensure that our officers establish a very good working relationship within the community.
Okay.
Once you have a good working relationship with the community people, they will be the ones to report to you. They will assist you with certain information that you may not get if you are not a good time with them. And once you are acclimatized with their lifestyle, they will trust you the more.
Okay.
And the moment there's confidence in you as an officer, your work is 100% done.
That's so.
Confirm.
Okay. So as but the ATIPSIN with the project where ATIPSIN they do it and how the thing they go, how far had the thing helped to, improve on our work for NIS?
ATIPSIN, they are development partners.
Yes.
And you see, there's this thing they said, left hand and right hand, and so they wash each other.
That's all.
So if you want to chop, and you don't want to chop disease, when will make you to the go toilet, it's good to wash your hand, the left hand and the right hand wash each other, so that at least people can live amicably and peacefully.
That's all.
Hello?
So the left hand and right hand, artificial and immigration, the left and right hand, when they watch each other together.
Yes, okay, okay. Wow, not be small something at all. So Etipsum and immigration, now left and right hand, where they watch each other together. Anyway, but sharply, yourself with out there, please join us this evening for 094-600-995, and then we do live for Etipsum Facebook page, Etipsum Nigeria. I beg you to spell the Etipsum, we don't know.
Etipsum na ATIPSOM. Etipsum.
Okay, confirm. Oops. Anyway, this question there, he said, good evening. He said, how is the weekend going? I just want to thank you guys and thank you so much for everything. Okay, now, thank you, Ngozi Omoforachi. Thank you for joining us. You said you'll be officer of the law for your own way. Okay, but today, finally, before we begin prepare to run, come on, which advice you get for Nigerians on how to take, do our own community work, and then how to take relate with officers, because you don't tell us that one already. How officers relate with the community people. Now, how community people supposed to see officers anytime when they see any immigration officer?
In those days, the people who they send to community are people that are from the local government.
Okay.
But what we realize is that when you post them there, because of familiarity, they cannot perform their duty. That is why we have new set of officers who are not from the same locality. They post them to a place that is not their own, someone from the north going to the east, to the south, and the west, so that each other person will get acclimatized with the culture and tradition of another person. This is a federal government job, and that has helped Nigeria Immigration Service a lot by making sure that we have a very cordial working relationship and good understanding of the federal sovereign nation called Nigeria.
Okay. So basically now, when an average Nigerian see immigration officer for the local government level, what is supposed to come in mind?
That are your brother.
Okay. Confirm. Anyway, if you doesn't join us, per episode we talk with Sins now, Deputy Controller General and the PRO, Nigerian Immigration Service. In preparing, they call him the parrot of immigration. Confirm. In name now, Oga Sunday, James Sunday. Well, thank you very much for joining us this evening. And then, like we talked the other time, anytime we need you again, you will still join us.
Thank you so much, sir. You don't try well, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
We appreciate NIS for the great work when they do great work, and we just thank you now.
Thank you very much.
Confirm. Anyway, as it is like this, not be small something, we'll still get plenty other information to say. We'll go relate, give you this evening. But then Uncle Joe will give us
and then next week we still continue by the same time. So as we just go now, not be say we just go finally, you go see continue the conversation for social media. So the best thing make you follow us for our social media handle for Etipsum Nigeria. Etipsum ATIPSOM Nigeria. If you now the same name for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram. If you watch the thing, like us, they follow it what they do. And again, what we want to do for this year, they call them Etipsum Film Festival. Now, film festival on human trafficking. So if you the person where they do movie, they do film, and you get any film on trafficking, I beg, or smuggling of migrants, I beg, just visit our website www.etipsum.com. Go there. Submit your movie, we will call you and let you know whether we can select them or not. So you go join hand, they use your talent, they promote the fight against human trafficking and smuggling of migrants.
Confirm. Some people they say now until you get very long movie. If not short film you get, drop them. If not documentary, drop them. Even if not like 5 to 10 minute skits, you get drop them. So far it carry the message where we say it get to do with either smuggling of migrants or trafficking in person. Not be small something. Well, next week Saturday, now another time we say you could join us, same time, same station, 7 o'clock on the dot. We don't start, call it 7:30. Etipsum,
make we join hands end human trafficking and smuggling of migrants in Nigeria.
Confirm. Next week, now another time. Don't miss out for anything at all. My name now Cherry King.
And my name now Uncle Joe.
Confirm.
Smuggling of migrants is the third most lucrative illicit business in the world. Artisan Project aims to combat trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants at national and regional level between Nigeria and European Union by providing support to strengthen the capacities of the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, Nigeria Immigration Service, Nigeria Police Force, and network of CSOs against child trafficking, abuse, and labor in addressing human trafficking and smuggling of migrants. Trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants destroying lives, families, and our communities. Let's join hands to stop it. Beware of human traffickers and migrant smugglers. This message is brought to you by Artisan Nigeria, a project from the European Union and implemented by FIAP, FIIAPP, a Spanish public foundation. For more information, visit www.artisan.com. Artisan, together we can end trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants.
Okay, thank you very much. You can join us next week Saturday, same time, same station.
Hello?